V850 from Godox. Why are you so happy? I know Nyajasa.
I'm getting some feeling.
What's up, guys? Hope you're doing great. This is your boy Kopishas, and with me is the beautiful Miss Winnie with the short hair. and we're over here to do a shoot, a quick one. We were just about to start and it just started to rain. Oh, Miss Winnie, it's raining. What do you have to say about that? Miss Winnie, I should send the shoots.
Oh,
Aww.
I'm not crying.
We were so devastated. We thought that we were not going to be able to do it anytime soon, but thankfully the sun is a little bit up again and the rains have stopped. That's the reason why we are even able to do this intro. And I want to give you a quick behind the scenes as we shoot. So yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be a setup, as you can see right now in the video. And you're going to take some shots from left to right. I'm going to be, of course, using the ambient light, that's the natural light, as well as the speed lights, my V850 from Godox. Why are you so happy? I know Nyajasa.
I'm getting some feeling.
All right, so yeah, without much ado, let's get started.